That was a good night's sleep. Now it's time to have some breakfast. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a mini cake. Yes, I love these. But wait, this is not even breakfast. This is like a dessert or snack. Nah, who cares? I'm hungry. I need to have this. I'm starving. Okay, listen, you stupid microwave. I have a mini cake that you know pretty well. Wait, why is that tiny there? Let me just get rid of that. So, I have a mini cake, and I want to eat it. But you keep changing it. So if you change it one more time, I'm selling you on eBay. Wait, got it? Jesus. Okay, what you putting on? I'm putting on for, let's see, 15, what, 18, 18's good. 18 is good for me. Now let's start. I swear to God, this happens again, I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, it's done. I swear to God, if something's stupid, I'm gonna lose my mind. What the hell? What the, is this, wait, 3, 6, 9, 12, 12 stars cookies? Just a boys? What the hell? This is not possible. Second time to start this stupid microwave. Wait! My God! You know what? I'm getting to what? Jesus! Why does this microwave keep screwing me over? What the heck are these? I've never eaten these. Maybe they're good. They have power on them. Okay, let's try it out. Oh my God. Okay, microwave. Don't screw me! Jesus! Okay, what you put on for this time? I know what I'm gonna do right now. Let's put it on for 26 seconds, 23? I'm gonna go 23 seconds. Because I am upset today. This is not how I wanted to start my day. Oh wait, I didn't even turn it on yet. Okay. Now it's time to wait for seconds. Oh my God, there's something else, I swear to God. I'm selling this. What? Bananas? No! No one eats bananas! No one eats bananas in this house!
I do.
What?
They're very helpful, you know. And I don't think that's how you cook them. Or I don't think you even cook bananas.
Shut up, Donkey Kong! You know what? If you want the bananas, take them! Okay? Jesus!
Thank you for the free bananas.
Shut up!
Well, time to go to the basement.
This is not funny at all. 3's a lucky number. 3's always a lucky number. It always is. Like the Three Amigos. Gee, my God. Oh my God. 3? Come on, 3. You have to do this for me. I swear to God, I will sue you. Okay, let's do this for 38 seconds. Okay. I am now in a bad mood. Thanks to those bananas. I swear to God. Please. Please be a mini cake. Please. What? Cookie? Again? No, Bill. No. This can't be. This can't be. That's not. It can't. How? How the? I can't. No, this is. No. 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 You can't. This can't be real. This can't be real. This can't be real. This can't be real. How is this possible? It's not possible. It's. I'm going for the 4th time. I guess 3 is not the lucky number anymore. I have now wasted 3 mini cakes. This is the 4th one. The 4th one. I'm in a now extremely mad right now. You don't want it? You don't want it? Well, screw you. Okay? Okay. That's 44 seconds. 44 seconds for this stupid mini cake just to be hot. Okay. I hate today. It's worse than January. God. It's done. Please. Please. Listen, I'm begging you, microwave. If you turn to something else, I will sell you. Got it? Oh, what the heck? Come on, please. What? Pretzel goldfish? I do like these, but that's not what I want. What the heck? What the heck? And I'm quitting this whole darn thing with the stupid microwave. This is the worst morning of my... You know what? I'll take it to you. I'll take it to you. I'm doing it all at once. I swear to God. I'm so angry that it's not this stupid microwave. This is not how I feel. You know what? We're not doing it for seconds. I think our strengths in me. We're doing it for 1 minute and... Is that time? Yes, 1 minute and 88 seconds. Then, if it doesn't do it, then I quit. Okay. This is the worst day of my life. It was more worse than 2018. Well, not the year. Just a certain day in the year. I hate today. Okay. I swear to God, I'm literally about to cry. Please. Please. You know what? Screw this! Screw this! Stupid cookie! That's it! I'm eating mini cakes regularly now. No microwave. I'm done.